Would you like a quick project to spruce up your table for the 4th of July? Well, stay with us. We've got a great idea for you. Welcome to our quick crochet project, the Patriotic Placemat. It's a simple project you can do with very little supply. In fact, I'm working it with my stash, and I think that you will be thrilled with the end result. I know I was. So let's get started. And remember, in all of your projects, give all the glory to God. For this project, you will need 3 skeins, 1 each of red, white, and blue worsted weight yarn, and a crochet hook 5.5 millimeters or an eye. I chose to use all acrylic yarn because I wanted this placemat to be washable and dryable. Begin with round 1 with a magic ring. I make it around 2 fingers, use a slip stitch to secure it, and then you will place 6 half double crochets in the center of this magic ring. Tighten it down and join with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet you made. Chain 1. You should have a total of 6 stitches. Round 2, you are going to put 1 half double crochet in the same space where you slip stitched, and a second half double crochet in that stitch, continuing around with 2 half double crochets in each stitch in that round for a total of 12 stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet and chain 1. Round 3, you will put 1 half double crochet in the first space where you slip stitch together, and 2 half double crochets in the next. Repeat around the round to the end. Join with a slip stitch in the first half double crochet, and it's in this slip stitch that you will change color to white. You can find a printable version of this pattern on our website, servantcrafts.com. And that website will also, the link to the website will also be listed in the description below. Now, round 4. You're going to chain 1, and in the same space as a slip stitch, insert 1 half double crochet in each of the first 2 stitches and 2 half double crochets in the third stitch. Repeat around to the end of the round. Join with a slip stitch into the first half double crochet, and you'll have a total of 24 stitches in this round. Round 5. In the same space as the slip stitch, insert 1 half double crochet in that stitch and each of the first 3 stitches, and 2 half double crochets in the fourth stitch. Repeat this sequence to the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. You'll have a total of 30 stitches in this round. Don't worry about your color changes. You're going to just bring that color back up on the back side without cutting. When you finish at the end of the entire placemat, we will be able to snip those and tie tight knots so they will be secure throughout all the washing history. And also, don't worry if your placemat is not flat. Our finishing process will make it flat. Round 11. In this round, you will chain 1, and in the same space as a slip stitch, you will make 1 half double crochet in that stitch and each of the first 4 stitches, and 2 half double crochets in the 5th stitch. Repeat this sequence around to the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the first half double crochet made in this round. There will be a total of 72 stitches in this round. And remember, if you're enjoying this pattern, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you as part of our family, our Servant Crafts family. Also, if you hit the bell icon, we'll notify you when we send out a new video. We do try to release videos on Wednesdays. I have to interrupt this video for just a minute to have you all help us solve a family dilemma. My husband's family grew up placing the napkin when they set the table underneath the knife and the spoon, so on the right. My family, I grew up placing it on the left underneath the fork. So because of this dilemma, we did do some research and found out that Ann Landers and people like, Martha Stewart and the president say that you should place the napkin in the center of the plate. But since we didn't grow up that way, we're wondering, what do you do? So please leave in the comments for us whether you put the napkin on the right, on the left, or in the center. Help us settle this family debate once and for all. Thanks! Now your final round will be in red, and it will be a reverse single crochet round. You will place one reverse single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Join to the first reverse single crochet with a slip stitch and fasten off. It should be a total of 204 stitches in that round. I'm going to just use this partially finished placemat to show you how I finish the ends and what I deal with the ends. So you can see there is a center red thread that's right in the center. I will be taking the end of that thread where the white and the red come together and snip that red thread in half because it is going up to another section, and give these two white and red threads a good double knot tightly, and then trim off the ends. And I'll do the same thing with the next section where the white and the blue come together. Snip the white just in half. It's long enough to cut, long enough to be able to tie, and then tie the white and the blue together, pulling that really, really tightly, and continue on with that method on all the other sections. Now this placemat isn't finished, so I won't continue. Now, how to block. You want to always block, and you can block acrylic, I just learned. So flip it to the wrong side, cover it with a damp cloth. I like to use this lightweight cotton cloth because I can see through it some. And then get your iron and make sure it's on the steam setting, and it's on fairly hot, and start in the center and work your way out and around, kind of like in a spoke fashion, until you get all the way around and you've gotten the whole thing nice and flat. Now, truth be told, I'm just faking it. My iron's not turned on and my cloth isn't damp because this placemat isn't finished yet, but this is what you would do. And then you go over the whole thing, making sure it's all flat. And with the acrylic, the hot iron and the moisture actually kind of slightly melts the yarns together so that they do stay, even in washing and after washing, they do stay flat and straight. If you'd like variations on this pattern, some ideas for variations, be sure to check out the pattern on our website. The list of variations are available when you download that pattern. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a blessed and safe 4th of July, and we hope you're back soon to join us.